let's make a vegan, vegetarian, a beautiful combination of flavors, Mulakoshyam. The name is not so familiar for me also. This is a curry from Palakkadan, most underrated curries, but it's so good. In my place, Thrissur, it's very simple. It's lentil with ashcot. So let's make it together. Let's move on to the video. Joss Moses Kitchen. This recipe serves 3 to 4 guests. Tur dal half cup. Onto a pressure cooker. Wash well, drain all the water. Add 1 cup of water. 1 teaspoon of rock salt. Half teaspoon of turmeric. Half teaspoon of black pepper powder. 10 pieces of crushed black peppercorn. All onto a blender. Cover on a high heat. Let it get 1 whistle. Slow the flame into very low. Cook for 5 minutes. Turn it off. Cool it down. All the pressure loses. And set it aside. Ashcot 400 grams. Clean and diced. Onto a pot. Cover the ashcot with water. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric. 1/4 teaspoon of rock salt. Few curry leaves. Green chili slit 3 pieces. Give a quick mix. Bring to boil. When it starts boiling, cover it and let it simmer until ashcot is half cooked. Remove the cover. Add the dal we cooked before. Combine well. Check the salt. Add just enough salt. Cook the ashcot with the lentil. Turn off the flame. Add few more curry leaves. 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Cover it. Leave it for 15-20 minutes to get all the flavor infused beautifully together. Give a quick mix. On top of red boiled rice, pour the beautiful curry on top. And mix it and enjoy and eat. As I mentioned before, this is a underrated curry from Kerala, but it's a beautiful curry with the flavors from curry leaf, lentil and the coconut oil. Not so spicy, but it's beautiful combination. In between, have some chammanthi made with pappad. The recipe is there in my channel. Okay, bye. This recipe, have you ever tried? What about this one? Have you tried? What about this one? Have you never tried it? Then what about this one? Just make sure you try it.